San Francisco! That is the plan today. We got up really early. Is because we're terrible planners. Made it. We got front row parking at Alcatraz landing to catch this ferry. Now we have to see if they have tickets. So let's go. What do you want me to say? We're not going to Alcatraz. It sucks. Well, your reservations early, I guess.
Okay, so we have to rehash. Last time you were on video.
Yep.
You had the poo-poo face going on.
I wasn't happy.
Why? What happened?
I wasn't happy because they were sold out of tickets. So instead of leaving tomorrow to go back to Yosemite, I almost said Yellowstone, we are going to go on the earliest boat they have and go to Alcatraz and stay an extra day here and then go a day late to Yosemite. So it's pretty cool because we get the whole day to kind of explore San Francisco today and then tomorrow Alcatraz. But right now we're gonna try and go get some hot baked sourdough bread. Hey.
You think it's good?
It better be good for the best of this line.
It'll be good.
I don't think we're going in the right line. This is not the line that I wanted. I want that.
We got jalapeno cheddar.
No, look at the chocolate sourdough.
I just want one that's hot.
Yeah.
Hot French loaf or something.
Or the cinnamon delight. Ooh, break me some bread. What do we get?
This is a chocolate sourdough.
Oh.
We're not going to get it warming up, but I think it's still good.
Holy smokes. Look at that. This is so good. Look at all the chocolate bits. And it's chewy and yeasty like a sourdough, because it is a sourdough. Holy cow. We're probably going to come back and spend a lot of money on bread. So good. What do you think? Is it good? Was the bread good?
Delicious.
Pier 39 is a must-stop for any visitor to San Francisco. The sea lions that make K-Dock their home started hauling out here shortly after the 1989 earthquake. Today, they are some of the city's most loved and most amusing residents.
He's gonna push it off. He's gonna win. Oh, he got him.
DJ wanted me to leave you behind, but I know that you wanted to come and see more stuff. So I'm gonna bring you with me, and I might even share my sourdough bread with you. Probably not. This ship right here, the Hercules, this is crazy. It's an open ocean tower, and between 1908 and 1924 towed ships to Tahiti, to Jacksonville, Florida, like big massive schooners like the ones we've been looking at over to our left. She pulled across entire oceans. Crazy.
imagine sailing from here to Tahiti? This thing? Was that you?
Yeah.
What did you do? What did you do?
I pulled the lever.
Oh, you're supposed to pull the lever. I was like, holy crap, what did you touch? Anyway, I was gonna say that this ferry is really freaking cool. They have all these old cars on it, just like it would have been in the 1930s, and it's just really cool. What? San Francisco? Too cute for Alcatraz right here.
Yes, I get to live with that. Aren't I such a lucky man? Yes, I am.
DJ thinks that this was a dancing area. We're gonna dance.
After leaving the historic ships at Hyde Pier, we took the scenic but long walking tour to Chinatown. Chinatown in San Fran is the oldest Chinatown in North America.
I think we just walked through Little Italy, and that food looks so good. And DJ wouldn't let me stop, and we have a really long walk, and yet he's not cool. I'm getting a little refresher halfway through. I call that an appetizer. He says no. So we're still walking.
No, spicy shumai. That's your shumai.
Okay, so this is shumai, and this is bao.
Pork bao. Barbecue pork bao. Yep. And we got a bunch of other stuff, right?
We got some other stuff coming.
I'm so
It came out
excited.
so quick, like really quick.
Yeah.
Very good.
That is so good.
Was it worth the wait and the walk?
Yeah, but we're still getting dessert. For sure.
We had our dim sum, and now we're waiting on our dim sum.
Right? Right?
These dim puns are getting serious.
What we got now?
Spicy dumplings, and I call dibs on the number 3 one because it's the dumpling dilemma. Everything should always come in even numbers, but it never does.
Spicy?
Yeah.
In a good way. We just got done eating at the dim sum corner. It was delicious.
Pork bao, spicy shumai, dumplings,
And one other thing.
wonton.
Wonton.
No. Yeah. It was definitely worth the walk, but now DJ has promised me a dessert.
Coconut filled fruitcake.
Recording? Almost like fried bread, but not bread.
No.
It's like a, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a wet fortune cookie.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I guess is the best
It's
way.
good though.
Sticky.
Random $2 stop in. Totally worth it.
Oldest bakery in Chinatown. 95 years old.
Awesome.
It's been in the same spot the whole time.
I don't know.
Picture. Look at the line for that bakery.
So the bakery over here was one of the places we talked about going. And then we saw the line, and there is no way. I mean, I bet it's amazing, but It's crazy long. Usually long lines mean really good food.
It's true.
That was a very full day in San Francisco. We actually didn't end up going to the ice cream place because we were pretty tired. And because we filled up on Chinese desserts. So instead, we are gonna go kind of the long route back to our campsite and drive over the Bay Bridge to get there. So wish us luck, because this San Francisco traffic plus all these bicycles and pedestrians is crazy. Tell me how you feel about driving to San Francisco.
Some people just aren't smart.
What'd you spy with your little eye? Hey. Hey, smile and look majestic. Oh yeah, there it is. You're so majestic.
Join us next week when we actually make it to Alcatraz. And we share some bad prison jokes too.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this week's video, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get notified when we publish a new video.